Will sneezing pop your eyes out? If you've ever wondered whether sneezing with your eyes wide open could send them flying from their sockets, rest assured, it's a myth. When you sneeze, the pressure is distributed across your nasal and sinus cavities, not your eye sockets. Plus, your eyes are securely held in place by strong muscles and connective tissues. While most people instinctively blink when sneezing, forcing your eyes to stay open doesn't create a risk of them popping out like in cartoons. No matter how powerful the sneeze, your eyes are safe, protected by the marvels of human anatomy. So go ahead, sneeze away. Just maybe have a tissue handy.